Hi, my name is Barb Langeloh, and I'm an educational therapist and an SAI provider here in the Los Angeles area. I want to just take a moment to tell you a little bit about the Framing Your Thoughts curriculum. Maybe you've seen it on the PR for IDA of what we're offering this summer for summer training and going, what is this curriculum? I don't know if you're like me at all. I have always struggled a little bit on how to teach writing in a very systematic, structured way. I feel like the trainings that I've had in structured literacy has really helped me with reading and teaching spelling. It's been fabulous and life-changing. But in the area of teaching writing, I felt like I was more going by intuition of what I should be teaching when and how to teach it than really knowing a good method in teaching writing. So 2 springs ago, I was at our IDA LA spring conference at UCLA. And one of the workshops I sat through was a presentation as an overview from the Learning Circle about the Framing Your Thoughts curriculum. And in that hour that I sat through it, I thought, oh my gosh, this is an OG-based writing program, and I think this is what I need. So last summer, I signed up to do the training, which was very convenient. And you do it around the hours that you have in your own home because it's video-based. And I put the hours in and I started the curriculum with my students this last fall. And the writing curriculum really took me through most of the year with them. And I have to tell you, it was fabulous for me as a teacher because it gave me the tools I needed to present step by step the different parts of sentences. And then it goes into paragraphs for the paragraph curriculum. And for my students, I feel I saw huge improvement in their ability to see parts of sentences, recognize run-on sentences, understanding what's the bare bones, the real meaning of that sentence in the basic form, and how do you add details to it, and the grammar of sentence work. And I think it's really prepared my students very well for more paragraph writing, proofreading, editing, all those things that you want your students to be able to do more fluidly. So great benefit for them, great benefit for me as a teacher. And as I mentioned, when you sign up to take the training, they give you a window of time where you can take the video-based programs. And it's very convenient for a teacher's schedule, especially those of us in the summer who are, have a little more time on our hands or trying to fit things like trainings around family time. So it's flexible, it's inexpensive. You pay for the materials, but we all know books and materials cost a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal. So it was really worth my time, and it really has benefited my students this year. So I would encourage you to sign up, take the class, and I don't think you will ever regret it.